The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW Heavyweight Championship.
Yeah, now we're talking. Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
And a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
He's told anyone who will listen that he always has been the uncrowned champion of this division. Now he can make it a reality. Here comes Muta,
A true innovator in this sport.
Consider this a public service announcement to everyone in Muta's path. Watch out for the poison mist.
That's easier said than done, Corey. Think we see the iconic poison mist tonight?
Yep, hopefully on Saxton.
Hey, I don't want that.
Introducing the challenger from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 243 pounds, the Natural Boy, Ric Flair! And his opponent from the land of the rising sun, weighing in at 230 pounds, the WCW Heavyweight Champion, the Great Muta!
Look at the adjective, championship.
WCW was the biggest competitor to WWE for nearly 2 decades, even eclipsing WWE's popularity for a long time. So winning a WCW branded title is a big deal.
Oh, they called it where the big boys play for a reason. To be a champion in WCW meant you were among the best in the world.
You're right, except for the times that movie star and the writer won the title. Otherwise, it's pretty much been the best of the best.
Being driven back and is getting cornered now.
Oh, an eye rake.
That's not right, but effective.
Shoving them away. Neck breaker. Counter. Saw it coming.
From behind. getting back up, straight into harm's way.
Look out!
Axe handle from the middle rope.
Oh, stomping right onto the arm.
I think we know what he's thinking, and it's not going to be nice. Off the springboard.
Springboard, but nobody home.
Oh, an eye rake. That's not right, but effective.
How do you deal with an opponent like the Great Muta, who can hit you with the dreaded mist out of nowhere at any moment?
You have to be incredibly vigilant and ready for anything. Keep your sights set on Muta at all times, and you might just be able to see that mist coming your way. Looks like he's got something in mind for ringside here.
Oh, bulldog! One-handed.
Damage starting to affect the challenger.
Muta putting some punishing offense on display.
Heading to the top turnbuckle now.
Up high. Good Lord, taking flight.
From all the way up. Wasted no time flying out to the floor.
And now gets tossed into the ring. The champion into the pin. A close count for the challenger.
Just barely, but it counts. Simple but effective side headlock takeover. Really wrenching it. Desperate knee buys him some time.
Ooh, and into the turnbuckle he goes.
Out of the turnbuckle. German suplex.
These attacks of the champ are adding up.
Brutal knee strike. Bang. Knee right on target.
Neck breaker excellently executed.
Measured knee drop. Metal rope forearm on point.
A steady stream of moves taking out Muta.
Excellent in-ring vigilance, and Muta is being seen right now. Big elbow drop.
And you can see that offense was aimed directly at his skull. The Great Muta showing how much punishment he can withstand before getting in his own offense.
But the Great Muta has to push now while a window's open.
Muta was scouted there. Ooh, great anticipation.
What a chop.
Shoulders down to retain. Fights out at 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Oh, look at this. So ruthless.
Roundhouse kick, man.
For the title.
And the glory.
Kicks out.
How in the world did he kick out?
And he's going to the top.
Sky high.
What an incredible moonsault.
Perfect execution by the champion.
Cover. And he's still in the game.
Somehow, this title is still up for grabs.
Now might be a good time to regroup. Rethink your plan.
And you got to think that all the plans are out the window after that. Ooh, and fights back.
Leg up the chest.
Big impact to the back of the neck. It is his time to take care of business.
Oh, what are they going to do here? Elevated knee drop connects. The champ getting closer and closer to being put away.
Yeah, he could really use a miracle right about now. And I think that just opened him up. Yep, certainly did. Goodness, look at the blood flow.
Superstars continue to fend off defeat.
Every obstacle's been met with equal measures of tenacity. It's trading back and forth blows now.
Two titans trading strikes and refusing to back down. Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now.
You can feel the contact, and so does the WWE Universe.
Ooh.
The willpower, the sheer guts of these two.
Nothing pretty about this, just a good old Donnybrook here. Oh, one thunderous final blow. Shot to the chest.
And this one's taken to the outside.
All right, time for us to clear the way.
Already ahead of you.
Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the officials' count.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
And through the pain, the great Muta continues to bring the fight.
Still being able to take command at this stage says a lot about Muta.
He's got a mind to count out rules as he heads ringside.
A narrow escape.
My goodness, did you hear that chop?
And his body seems to be the focus of the attack. What the hell is going on around here?
This is looking less like a wrestling match and more like a Buffalo tailgate.
Feed off the WWE Universe. This place is starting to rock. Taking the easy way.
Oh, look at her step through. Here it comes. Figure four locked in. Submission is in.
Pain just painted all across his face right now.
Struggling to fight out. Can he survive? There it is. The champ has fallen. That had to be one of the matches of the year. Let's take another look at some of the action.
Here is your winner, and new WCW World Heavyweight Champion, the Natural Boy, Ric Flair!
An exciting match that concludes with a title-changing hands.
Tonight is definitely a night to celebrate, but let's not lose sight of the fact they have a long road ahead of them now. At least, if they're lucky.
Oh, come on, Corey. Don't be such a party pooper. We've got a new champion.